Hey, what's up guys, welcome back to yet another video, and today we are talking about 20 weird things that you all are not aware of. Be in this video up to the very end. And one more thing I want to share with you all. Previously I've completed 3 videos on space. First, the mystery of the universe. Second, the black hole. Third, the big crunch and of universe. Go and check them out, there's a link below and right up here. Click on that, you'll be there, and let's continue with the video. Fact 20. Flamingos bend their legs at their ankle, not their knees. Essentially, they stand on their tiptoe and their knees are closer to the body and covered by feathers. Fact 19. Sloth can hold their breath longer than dolphins. Yes, by slowing their heart rate and can hold their breath up to 40 minutes. Fact 18. The Eiffel Towers were originally intended for Barcelona, but the Spanish people thought the design is too ugly and Gustave Eiffel pitched it to the Paris as a temporary landmark, but now it's a permanent one. Fact 17. Guys, did you know that octopus has 3 hearts? One pumps blood to the whole system and 2 are dedicated just to the gills. Fact 16. Guys, is there anything older than the sun? Yes, scientists have found tiny minerals that are older than the sun and the solar system. They are formed 4.6 billion years ago, and there are some pre-solar grains that are found in 5 to 7 billion years old, and that makes them the oldest known material on the earth. Fact 15. The smallest star in the world. It's the Liger B. Fact 14. Before toilet paper was invented, Americans used to use corn cobs, and which was designed with a hole so they could be hanged. Fact 13. The Anglo-Zanzibar War, a military conflict fought between the Great Britain and the Zanzibar Sultanate on 27 August 1896, and it was lasted between 38 and 45 minutes, marking it as the shortest war in the history. And the victory was won by Britain. Fact 12. Blue whale tongue can weigh as much as elephant. Yes, blue whale tongue is equal to an elephant. Fact 11. In Hindi, it's roti. In English, it's flatbread. But in some Central American and Spanish countries, they call it tortilla. Fact 10. Shadows are more darker on the moon. On Earth, atmosphere scatters the sunlight, so our shadows aren't dark. But on the moon, shadows are so dark that Neil Armstrong has said he had trouble seeing where he was going. Fact 9. Some sea scumbers fight with their guts, literally when they are threatened. They shoot out their whole internal organs, which are poisonous to the predator. They sometimes get rid of their entire digestive system, but the organs grow back. Fact 8. The Statue of Liberty used to be the lighthouse. About a month it was built. In 1886, it became the working lighthouse for 16 years. From the torch visible from 24 miles away. Fact 7. Strawberries aren't berries, neither raspberries or blackberries. According to botanists, strawberry stems have single ovary flower and have 2 or more seeds. But strawberries don't fit the bill. But bananas, kiwis and watermelon do. Yes. Fact 6. The human brain is way powerful than a computer. It's so fast that if it were an electronic computer like your smartphone and laptop, it can able to perform 38 quadrillion. That is 38,000 trillion operations per second. Is it in great? Fact 5. A photon takes 2 lakh years to travel from the sun's core to its surface. But a photon takes 8 minutes to hit your eyes from the sun's surface. Fact 4. Bananas share 50% of their DNA with humans, with you, with me, with anyone. Fact 3. Blue whale heart can weigh almost a ton and needs to beat just once every 10 seconds. So now is the time for the fact which you are waiting from so long, and thank you for being with me up to the very end. So fact number 2. The Denmark Strait Cataract is an underwater waterfall found on the western side of the Denmark Strait in the Atlantic Ocean. It is the world's highest underwater waterfall, with the water falling almost 3,500 meters. That is 11,500 feet. It is formed by the temperature difference between two water masses. The eastern side being much colder and the western side being much warmer makes this highest underwater waterfall. Fact 1. Why samosa is always triangle? Samosa is originated in Central Asia and Middle East Asia, and it is the most popular South Asian snack in North America. And the word was derived from the Persian word sambusa, which means triangle. Samosa is also called samosa in English as well. There is the word samosa is officially present in the Cambridge Dictionary, which means a South Asian food consisting of a small pastry case in the shape of a triangle filled with some vegetables or meat and some spices. So guys, these were some facts that I want to pass on to you, and these were some weird facts that you all are not aware of. But after watching this video, I hope you guys get something out of it, and if you liked it, hit that like button. Thank you so much for watching. Comment below, tell me which fact you like the most. Subscribe to my channel, there is a red button below, click on that and click that bell icon for the notifications, and I'll see you guys in the next video.